Today we are going to make homemade butter and ghee, and we need some hot water for this, and homemade fresh cream that has been kept out for about 4 hours to get it to the room temperature. And we'll add some hot water to it, and then with hand blender we're going to blend this till the butter separates out. Since the butter is not yet separated out from the malai or the fresh cream, it is time to add a little more hot water. So we'll add a little more hot water now and carry on with the blending process. Keep blending until you see the froth thickening, which it is right now. As you can see, the butter has started separating out now, and you can see it floating in the milk cream solution. So we'll blend it further till all the butter separates out. So we will remove all the butter to a kadhai or a separate vessel, and then wash this butter under water, running water that is, so that all the milk is removed from it and the butter is washed thoroughly. We'll keep it on the gas now, put the gas on high and heat the butter to make ghee. Let the butter melt, and as soon as most of it has melted, then keep stirring it continuously till the ghee is extracted from the butter. Now you can see the froth lessening and the milk solids separating out, and the butter also turning yellow in color because of formation of ghee. But keep stirring it continuously at this point of time. So carry on with this process. Adding a little whole wheat flour or atta, as we are adding here, will help to draw out the ghee faster from the butter. So if the ghee is taking a longer time to form, you can add a little atta and then carry on the stirring as before. So all the ghee now is out of the butter. We'll put out the gas and transfer this ghee through a strainer into another container. You can press the separated out milk solids to remove the extra ghee this way. So here is our recipe of the day for making your homemade butter and homemade ghee. It's very easy to prepare and definitely cheaper and healthier than the one you buy from the market. So do try it and give us your feedback. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.